uchi from the north of the town, sure. See?
Spally?
Yeah, man.
This is gossip. This is gossip. Then we're gonna sit and gossip.
Gossip. So, what is for now today?
We're talking about aboJollofina.
Jollofina.
Yeah.
What it means?
aboJollofina. Siyabathanda uQueencess.
Yeah.
uQueencess.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So it's girls who are literally sleeping with Nigerian niggas for money.
So, it's
Mara,
the
it's not
level.
just Nigerian.
It's the mind.
It's the man. It's not just Nigerian niggas because Conan and sugar babies.
Yeah.
And usually people who give money to girls for sleeping with them, it's not Nigerians, but it's people from any place. That's why they DM on Instagram and say, can you be my sugar baby? I'll give you money.
I'm seemingly getting
Isn't
it means even what we sometimes think we have a relationship, sometimes they become too transactional, especially these days. Like it's the culture that I don't know we are growing. So abantu bayasebenza.
Yeah, and
So, but then, guys, me, I think I'm worth a lot. So I don't think food. So meaning whoever check or finds me, they're also finding something precious. Cause
yeah.
when we eat,
so you're saying you're the table now?
No, my capabilities makes me to have I have wealth in this. So when we become in a relationship, I'm worth something.
Okay.
Yeah, so
yeah.
there's if ever good money in this thing, you make million you meant we cannot be sharing and still sharing to waste our money or to spend our money.
You know, I expected today.
Isn't it you guys who wanted 50-50?
Yes,
so why aren't you now giving? Well, I'm not saying anything because really they say but it's versus I will send you money and
baby.
So Tina, yes, I think we are a different breed of men.
That's
South African men. But all I know in Guma world records, South African men are the most committing men, like in the world. Like
okay, here's the difference.
We are good husbands.
Here's the difference. I'm a South African man, eh?
Yeah.
They are building with the girls.
We are good husbands.
Yeah, they're not aboJollofina. They just spend money on girls. Abana build.
So manomuntu magazo allow to expand on you instead of there's so many things.
But some do, like hey guys.
And remember these people they have so much tradition, cultures or witchcraft going on. Chiki, they pay 10,000 you are just feeding a snake. But this is just our thinking or things we've had before.
South African, Nigerian, whatever, not a man.